Okay, hello everyone. As you know, today, 5th June, is World Environment Day. So, today in our school also, we are just organizing short program. After this program, will go for surroundings cleaning, and now our program is going to start. So, hello everyone, welcome to another vlog of the channel. Jenose, Namaste, Sevaro, Shevane. अनि आजको नयाँ ब्लगमा मैले अघि नै भनिसकेँ आज वर्ल्ड इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे सेलिब्रेट गरिरहेको छ सो तपाईँले आजको भिडियोलाई हेरिदिनुहोस् यहाँनिर हाम्रो यहाँनिर स्किट छ एउटा सो नानीहरूले यहाँनिर चाहिँ स्किटको लागि रेडी हुँदैछ सो सबै प्रोग्राम चाहिँ सेट भइसकेको छ
So today on the 5th June 2024, yes, so we are, as you all know, early in the morning our Vice Principal Sir, Sir Galbu Sir told you the importance of today. Yes, 5th June, it is celebrated as World Environment Day all over the world, not only in our country, but all over the world. Yes, so here in our school, Himalayan Rising Academy also, we have organized a small program, and this is for the very first time that we are organizing such program in our school. Yes or no? Yes. So now, since we all are very lucky that this time we got chance to do something new, yes, to organize this World Environment Day. Yes. So since whole world is observing this World Environment Day, and you all know the importance of environment. Yes or no? Today early in our morning assembly only, students as well as our vice principal highlighted the importance of environment, and about today's day, why Environment Day is celebrated all over the world. Yes or no? Yes. So now here in our school only, today we are observing this World Environment Day, and we have organized a very short program. So with taking the permission of our school principal, Miss Pooja, so I would like to start our today's very short program. So very first, I would like to welcome our school principal, the principal miss, all these teachers, and as well as all the students and all the participants, those who are participating in different things like drama. Yes, junior students, they are participating in rhymes. Yes, so I would like to welcome all on the behalf of our school. So, and now, moving forward to our program, I would like to call Nawang Chopil Sherpa of Class A to deliver a very short welcome speech.
Himalayan Rising Academy is standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on my topic, World Environment Day. Today, 5th June is celebrated as World Environment Day worldwide. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness about protecting our planet. Our environment is a precious gift. It gives us air we breathe, water we drink, food we eat, and so on. But over the years, human activity have caused significant harm to our environment. So it is important to remember that every action counts. So by doing simple things like turning off light when not in use, cycling plastic, planting trees can make a big difference to our environment. We all have a different role to play in protecting our environment by doing so healthier and greener planet for ourselves and future generation. Lastly but not least, I would like to say better environment leads to better tomorrow. With this, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Chopil Sherpa for your very meaningful speech, environment of this Environment Day. So as he told the importance of environment, yes, so with the human activities, that is us, yes or no, our environment is getting harmed day by day. Like we used to cause many types of pollution, air pollution, land pollution, water pollution. You all know that, yes or no? These things are not very new to you all. Yes, so you all have been studying from very junior classes about this pollution, how we are affecting our nature environment. Yes or no? So, and it is our responsibility, being a human, yes, noble created world, it is our responsibility that for not always, yes, sometimes we are human beings, we used to make mistake, but the thing is, once we have realized our mistake that we are doing some harm to the environment. Now environment means the home which we live, yes or no? So we need to take care of our home, yes or no? So here this thing we will just tell you, with our there are the participants who are taking participants in drama. So they will tell how our environment has been effective day by day, and how what it is our duty to save our environment. Okay. So now moving forward to our program. Now I would like to request our environment teacher to our school principal from our side. Thank you, Pemalaki Miss, and thank you, our school principal. So, since today, whole school, yes, all the most the female students, yes, they are colored, they all are, we can see they all are putting on green ribbons. Yes, all the teachers has been also putting on green uniforms. Yes, so here we have decided to present something green, which symbolize green. Yes, for our school principal, from this is especially from the student side, and thank you all the students. And now moving towards our program, I would like to call upon junior class 2 students to perform their rhymes on the World Environment Day.
Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. Let's see what we can do. Save the planet for me and you. EARTH, planet Earth is a happy place. EARTH,
A single tree can prevent a 100 ton of soil erosion. A single tree can absorb 10 ton of air pollution.
A single tree can support hundreds of insects and animals.
A little effort towards saving the environment is better than no effort. We should always turn off tap when not in use.
We have to use biodegradable products instead of plastic.
Please always switch off the light when not in use.
Better environment, better tomorrow.
On this Environment Day, let's all come together and promise to save our earth.
1, 2, 3, start.
मिल जाए हम साथ अगर उज्जवल होगा अपना कल उत्तम होगा सारा जहां श्रेष्ठ बनेगा वतन मिल जाए हम साथ अगर उज्जवल होगा अपना कल उत्तम होगा सारा जहां श्रेष्ठ बनेगा वतन चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम चलो मिलके लेते हैं ये कसम एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम एक पेड़ तुम लगाओ और एक हम चलो मिलके चलो मिलके
Okay, thank you, all the participants of this very wonderful drama. Yes, so we all saw, yes or no? So from this drama only, how we are affecting our planet Earth. Yes, by cutting down large number of trees. Yes or no? By causing deforestation in a very large number. Yes or no? And we also got a very important knowledge that how a single tree can help us in various ways. Yes or no? Yes. So here only we can get a very good example of saving the planet Earth and importance of. And moving towards our next program, I would like to call Miss Sonika to deliver our speech in this World Environment Day in Nepali language. This more here, down. No noise.
आदरणीय प्रधान अध्यापिका शिक्षक शिक्षिकागण लगायत मेरा प्यारा विद्यार्थीवर्गहरूलाई म हार्दिक नमन गर्न चाहन्छु। आज सबैजनालाई थाहा भएकै कुरा हो, आज वर्ल्ड इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे यानि पर्यावरण दिवस 5 जुनको दिन मनाउने गर्दछ र आज पर्यावरण दिवसको उपलक्ष्यमा पर्यावरणलाई लिएर एउटा सानो जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छु। पर्यावरण भन्नाले हाम्रो पारिवारिक परिवेश भनेर बुझिन्छ। पर्यावरण सम्पूर्ण प्राणीहरूको वासस्थान हो। प्रकृतिमा भएका हावा, पानी, ढुङ्गा, माटो, बलुवा, वन जङ्गल, सूर्यको किरण तथा वायुमण्डल सबै चिजहरूमा प्राकृतिक वातावरण अन्तर्गत पर्दछ। प्रकृति सतुवाको प्रयोगबाट नै जीवनको प्रक्रिया चल्नेको हुन्छ। मानिस र पर्यावरण एक अर्कामाथि निर्भर पर्ने गर्दछ। मानिसको राम्रा र नराम्रो व्यवहारहरूले प्रकृतिलाई पनि असर गर्दछ, जसको कारणले वायु, जल, ध्वनि आदि प्रदूषण बढ्दो क्रम र रोकथाममाथि मानव जातिको मुख्य भूमिका निभाउँदछ। त्यसैले प्रत्येक वर्ष 5 जुन को दिन पुरै विश्वमा पर्यावरण दिवस यानि इन्भाइरोमेन्ट डे भनेर मनाउने गर्दछ। पर्यावरण दिवस मनाउनुको मुख्य उद्देश्य सारा मानिसहरूलाई पर्यावरणको सुरक्षाको निम्ति जागरुक र सचेत गराउनु हो। प्रकृति बिना पृथ्वीमा मानव जीवन सम्भव छैन। त्यसैले हामीले रुखपात, खोला नाला, सारा प्राकृतिक तत्त्वहरूको महत्त्व बुझ्न एकदमै आवश्यक छ। पर्यावरण दिवस मनाउने विश्व 1972 मा संयुक्त राष्ट्र महासभाद्वारा आयोजित विश्व पर्यावरण सम्मेलनमा भएको चर्चापछि भयो। पहिलो पटक पर्यावरण दिवस 5 जुन 1974 मा मनाएको थियो। पृथ्वी खाली मानिसहरूको मात्र नभएर करोडौँ जीव जन्तु पनि बसोबास गर्दछन्। तर मानिसहरूले आफ्नो आवश्यकता पुरा गर्नलाई लगातार प्रकृतिलाई हानि पुर्याउने जस्तो कामहरू गरिरहेका हुन्छ, जसको कारणले प्रदूषण, क्लाइमेट चेन्ज, ग्लोबल वार्मिङ जस्तो समस्याहरू बढेर गइरहेको छ। यही समस्याहरूमा मानिसहरूको ध्यान आकर्षित गर्नका निम्ति पर्यावरण दिवस मनाउने गर्दछ। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Ms. Sonika, for your very meaningful speech in the Nepali language. So since dear students, we teachers has been explaining you the importance of this environment.
Good afternoon to my dear teachers and my dear students. Today on this occasion of World Environment Day, I don't have so much to say, yes, because from morning time we are listening about Environment Day from Gyalpu sir, from Purba sir, from Naum Chapel, from Sonika Miss. So I hope you all understood. And what I want to tell is, I'm so happy that I have a very dedicated teacher. I'm so happy. I would like to give thanks to all the teachers and who give their precious time to teach you, isn't it? And in this tight schedule also, they gave you a precious time, and I would like to thank each and every student. They participate very well, and those who have not participated, don't worry. Next program will be also there. That time you can participate, okay? And another thing, there will be more programs, more events, and I hope you all will participate actively. So I would like to thank each and every teacher, every student. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, our principal, Miss, for your vote of thanks. So now, since I have already told you that it was only a very small program that we have organized today on the occasion of World Environment Day, yes or no? So once again, so I would like to tell that it is our prime responsibility as being a noble creature of this earth to save the planet Earth. Yes or no? Yes. If we human beings only don't, we will only not be conscious, then animals, yes, the animals, there are living things, non-living things, they don't, they will not be conscious. Yes or no? Animals, they don't, they will not be the part of pollution also. Animals, yes or no? And it is not their duty to, they don't have a duty to save the planet also. But it is us human beings only that we are damaging our earth, damaging our beautiful planet Earth, and it is our responsibility to save the earth also. Yes or no? So whatever you have got knowledge, from today's program, please keep it in your mind. Okay. So once again, being a host of this program, I would like to thank our school principal, our school vice principal, and all the teachers, and as well as all the students and all the participants who actively took part in this program. So now I would like to conclude this program from here on. So this is the end of our program. Thank you so much. So now after lunch, there will be a rally. Okay.
Okay, यहाँनिर चाहिँ र्यालीको लागि रेडी हुँदैछ. So every student are here from class UKC to class 8. Now we are going for rally and we will clean the surround about nearby our school. So they are carrying dustbin. Sure.
Hello.